We are live, and let's solve the next task. So our next task is called number of islands. We are given a grid with 1 and 0. 1 is land and 0 is water. So an island is surrounded by water and is formed by connecting adjacent lands horizontally or vertically. You may assume all 4 edges of the grid are all surrounded by water. So what actually we need to do? So we need to count how island do we have. So here we have one island, and here we have 3 islands. Yeah, because we can go by diagonal. Okay, good. So what can we do here? We can start from the beginning and iterate till the end. And when we see the first element, we actually try to do, let's call it DFS, and go by all directions. So when we on this position, we try to go to this direction and this direction, because this we can't go. And if it's 1, then we try go next to this direction, this direction, like to all other directions, and so on. So we want to go to all directions, and and try to we try to be on every point in our land and to count this land. Okay, so the solution that I'm talking about is called, it could be DFS or BFS. Actually, let's try with DFS approach, and the time complexity here would be n over m, where n is rows, m is cells, and we see that we have these numbers here, and so let's try to do this. So we need 2 loops. One loop will go by rows, grid lengths, and another loop will go by cells. Okay, and what we will do, if we will match in our grid j, if we will match one, it's all chars. So if it's 1, then we do DFS over our grid and I and j position, and try to do this. And also we have this counter 0, and here we actually increment our count and return this count from here. So let's implement this DFS. So we have this grid. We have this grid. We have j. And also we have moves. So let's implement it this way. Moves. So first move this one, and this one. And if I is less than 0, or I is equal to grid length, or j is less than 0 or j is equal to grid length, then I just return. If my grid ij is equal to 0, I also should return. Otherwise, I'm standing on 1 and I want to go in 4 directions until I will meet another one. So I move in my moves and call this DFS for first of all, I want to update my grid. So I update my grid cell to 0 and I make all these moves. And with grid, with I plus here array, so move I, and j plus move move 0 and move 1. Okay. Okay. So let's run. And let's submit. All right, so we are done. Let's check editorial. Locked solutions. Yeah, so actually the same. All right, so that's all for today. Thank you very much.